Hi everybody, welcome back to our Sunday school. What we're featuring here today is 3D Fur Kleen. 114 is a part number. What this does right here, it helps you remove the pet hair from your carpet. Some of them can be very stubborn depending on the type of carpet that it is. They're all different. Some of them are clean, the hair is real tight and it's very difficult to remove. What you want to do is not dilutable. You dilute it straight. You use it straight. All you got to do is put it inside a bottle. I'm gonna put it inside a 32-ounce bottle real quick. All right, so it's very easy to pour, and also too, a real key, it smells very good. It helps you on different things, not just to remove the fur from the carpet. Also too, what I like about it too, when the car is full of debris the way this carpet is, and dirt and stuff like that, what I like to do, I like to spray it all over the surface. Like that, when I do use my blower or something like that, it doesn't pick up all the dust. So it keeps your dust low inside the car. So for me, it's not just a fur clean. For me, I use it also as a vacuum aid. So you want to show you real quick with the pet hair brush. It doesn't really remove that much, but when you spray some of the fur clean in there, it'll lift it up better and collect it better for you. Also too, I'm gonna use a vacuum real quick. So what I like to do is spray it and just vacuum it. And just like that, they come off a lot easier. And you also change the color of the carpet. If you can see it, it looks darker from here to here. So it also somewhat cleans it, just brightens it real quick for you. And what you can do, if you do saturate it too much, to get yourself a dry microfiber and just dry it up. You see how easy everything is coming out? It like loosens everything up. And when you have a lot of crumbs and everything, it also loosens up those crumbs. Like that, you vacuum up and look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And then also when you're done, you can do a nice pattern up and down because it stays wet, and when it dries, it'll stay that way. So when you guys are not done vacuuming and stuff like that, to make it look nice, to make this look nice, what you guys can do is get a brush like this right here. Either comb it all to one side, like that, it's easier for you, make it all dark on one side, and then just come back and make the lines of your choice. Like that, it just makes it look a lot cleaner. So that's how you use 3D Fur Kleen. Thank you guys for always joining us on our Sunday school. See you next Sunday. And always remember to hit that like button. You guys take care. See you next time.